All right, so you're at a park at a party and nobody brought a speaker or any kind of music. You bring your own. Now this one, you can have it by your bedside or take it outdoors. Either way, it's portable, easy to charge, which it has a type C in the back if you guys can see it. Now we are gonna do the light effect in the dark room right now, but we're just gonna talk about the features here. Now, first of all, if you guys can see, not only is it gonna play your music, but it's also gonna charge your unit. Right in front of it, it tells you if you have a mag charge, all right? It could be a Droid, it could be an iPhone. Now, the whole system has a base in the bottom, 3 little stands, if you guys can see that. Now, the way you turn it on, it has a little handle here, right? On the front of it, you can see all the functions that you have access to. All right, the setup is simple, all right? You have the power, which is here, your plus, your menu, and your minus, and then you have the lighting effect. If you don't like the RGB lighting or you want to conserve some battery, just turn it off. Simple as that. So let's put it to use and see how loud this thing is. The way I set this up, hold the button down, you're gonna see it or you're gonna hear it. There you go. You can even see it. Even the handle turns on if you guys can. And we're in the daylight right now and it's still flashing in here. So once we set this up, now we go into our phone. Look for your Bluetooth settings, all right? PC X500. We're set up already. And then we just play some music. So I'm gonna put it here so you guys can see it. Put some music. Let's put some music on. We go to... Let's see how loud it is. It's making a noise every time you click on it, and this is the loudest it goes.
Wireless, we got your back every
so right
day.
now it's playing a commercial, which is great because we don't want to hear music.
Look at the facts. We run on the network with America's fastest 5G.
There it goes. So it's a little loud. It's perfect for those. It's not too loud. It's just enough for maybe 4 or 5 feet away from you to hear it, or if you want to wake up with music. So that's pretty much it. Right now we're outdoors right now. You can still see the LED light. We're gonna go indoors and test it out at night so you guys can see it. But no, it's a little loud as it is, but any phone, Droid or iPhone, you can charge the systems and you can play the music. All right, on the light effect, you got the amp for modes, all right? You could change different colors, if you guys can see that. That's one of the best things I like about this thing. Look at that beautiful, elegant lighting effect, and then of course you could turn it off. But back to basics, then you could lower down the light if you, or increase the light if you guys can see that. So I like to increase it to 3, change the mode. I'm gonna put the rainbow mode, the RGB lighting mode. Gotta find it. It's one of these. There it is. So this one's constantly gonna change and rotate. So love the effect. You have options in here. You could turn off the higher light if you guys can see that. Different lighting effect. You could turn it off if you want. Turn it on. But one of the best part is that you grab your phone. Look at this. I have my case on my phone and I'm just gonna sit it there and it starts charging automatically. I don't have to worry about anything. So I like this option. That right now it's synced up together with my phone, and at the same time I could just charge it and listen to music at the same time. And then I like the handle that it has that extra LED light all around the handle and in front of the actual base itself. But like I said, you could turn it off completely, turn it on. Great option to have.